Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign-in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Hi guys, so iyan mag-unboxing tayo ng box. So, hindi ko pa alam yung loob nito kasi nga si Charles nagbili, kaya ayan, sabi niya i-open ko daw. So, hindi ko alam kung ano ang sa loob. Ayan, naka-box na siya. Box ulit. So, ayan, na-open na natin. Nakita nyo. Oh, laptop. Siguro kasi Lenovo. So, ayan. I-open na natin. Yan, ito na siya. Yan. So, this is what? Yan. So, it comes with, yan, empty na siya. It comes with charger. Ayan, charger. Let's go on charger. And the guide. And then here. So there you go. Let's open it. Ayan. Ito siya, guys. Ayan, ito siya. Lab. Hindi nga narinig. Ayan. Ito siya. May laptop. Ang liit niya tingnan, pero tingnan mo. My God, this is expensive. We open this. Look at this. Ayan siya. Ang ganda niya, super. Ang ganda niya. Ayan siya. Love?
Did you call me?
Yes. Look at this.
Wow, beautiful.
This is amazing. How to open this?
Oh my God, that is awesome.
And look at this, how thin.
That is so nice.
Thin, love. This is Lenovo.
Perfect
YOGA.
for you. It's perfect for you.
Perfect. Look at this. Look at the camera.
Yeah,
It's awesome.
yeah.
Right?
Very nice.
Oh my God, how we open this?
Well, you got to charge it first. Have your charging cable.
Yeah, here. Here.
That's a perfect for
Maybe
you,
this
Myra.
is full charge.
You could turn it on.
So, charge muna namin. We charge first. Because brand new. So, sabi nila, pag bumili ka ng electronic device, you need to charge for 24 hours. So, yung battery niya ay magtagal. Magtagal yung battery niya. So, ito ang charger niya. Charge ko muna siya. So, ito siya yung cable charge niya. Isaksak natin. Ayan. Ayan, ito yung sa USB niya. Tapos, ito yung sa power. Ayan, nag-charge na siya. Nag-charge na siya. Ayan. Tapos, i-open na natin. So, this is okay to open now, lab. Maybe. Ito yung power niya dito. My laptop. So nice, my god. So thin. This is thin. Look. Ayan. Open natin. So, tingnan natin kung ano ang sa loob niya. I'm excited. I'm excited to use this. So, I need to study first how to do the others. So, ito yan. Ito siya, parang i-open mo siya by your fingerprint. So, hindi mo na kailangan i-type ang password. Ilagay mo lang yung password, yung kamay mo, fingerprint na. Yan lang.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen,
Yes. She's talking.
your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Yes.
Push that, yes.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
No. Skip.
Now let's get you connected to a network.
There it
That
is.
way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos
5G.
as soon as possible. How about the first one on the list? Want to use that one?
Yes.
No.
Now type your credentials.
Password. Give me a well type. Oh my god.
Mission accomplished. You're all linked up.
Next.
Now we have some important setup to do.
It's such a cute. This is so nice.
Yes, nice. So awesome. I love it. Thank you, love.
Now let's see what's new from Windows. Next up, the legal stuff. In short, you'll need to select Accept to use Windows. Type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions to sign in. I'll catch up with you once that's done.
In case they don't recognize you, what is the 4 numbers that you always remember in your mind?
Okay.
It's always good to have an emergency pin.
Okay.
You do that privately.
Hi guys.
Windows can save your spot in apps, files, and websites, so you can keep doing what you were doing, even when you switch devices. Just choose yes to sync your activities.
Yes.
These are the settings Microsoft recommends. Go ahead and review them and select Accept when you're ready. Your device manufacturer would like your contact info to send you updates and such.
Christian, Catholic?
No, United States. Here, look at the Philippines. Yes, in Philippines.
Looking for the U.S.?
Yeah, there. United States. There. So,
And then Dada.
yeah, maybe. We try.
Wait, that's what you use, right?
Yeah, but I have another one, my Google.
Oh, you can use whatever one you want.
Okay.
Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
Ayan guys, may bago na akong laptop. So, ano siya, LENOVO-YOGA. So, binilhan niya ako nito. Pero ito, sakto lang siya sa akin. Kasi nga, liit lang ako, tapos light lang siya. Ayan. Here you go. Ayan. Ito na siya. Ayan na siya guys. So, touchscreen siya. Tapos, downloadan ko na lang siya mamaya ng mga apps. Lab! Come here. How?
How to do what?
Like you, like tablet. Turning to tablet.
I don't understand what you mean.
Turning back, like that.
Oh, I don't
Holding.
think that does that. Well, let me see. There. Now it's in tablet mode. Yeah. It'll ask you if you want to go in tablet mode. It says, always ask me before switching. Always ask me before switching? Yes. Always ask. Okay? Then you're in
Yeah.
tablet mode. So then you can just type up on here as a tablet.
Like that. So I need to download here some.
They'll have some preloaded stuff already, and then they'll just ask you there's a lot of stuff on there already,
Yeah.
but you don't want to get your personal information on the camera, okay?
Oh yeah, no, just touching like that. So.
They just saw your phone number, okay, when it flashed up there. So make sure it's not on your video.
Oh yeah, no. So ito siya guys. Napupold na siya. Napupold siya. See? Holding siya.
watch movies with that.
Like this.
Yes,
I can watch-
movies on Netflix like that at night. Phone watching it like this, you just watch that right in front of you.
Yeah.
See, now
So-
you don't need your phone like this, and you just watch your TV right there.
So, ito siya guys, nasi-switch siya bilang tablet. So, double purpose siya. So, yan, ganyan lang siya. Sobrang nipis niya. Tapos touchscreen pa siya guys. Kaya ito yung inano niya. Kaya ito yung binili niya kasi nga mas maganda siya kasi napupold, tapos touchscreen, tapos yung ano niya pa, yung giga niya, malaki yung storage niya. Kaya kung may video, pwede ko siyang ilagay dito. So, ayan, pwede ko siyang, ayan, may camera siya. May camera siya. Ayan. touchscreen. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. So happy. Sobrang tiny. Yan, ang ganda-ganda niya. Ang mahal-mahal pa nito. Tapos, pupunta ako sa Microsoft Store. So, ayan. Ayan. Ayan siya, guys. Ang ganda niya. So, ayan, magiging busy ako kasi magda-download ako ng mga apps like Mozilla and Google. So, that's it. This is my new laptop. So, thank you so much. Thank you for watching.